I am the bread of life. Today, let's talk a little bit about Jesus, the bread of life. We shall be hearing the Gospel of John throughout the week about the bread of life. It's called the Bread of Life Discourse, in order to highlight the value of the Eucharist in our life. You see, today, more than ever, people are hungry, not only for material bread or material things, but we are hungry for love. We are hungry for peace. People are hungry for meaning. When we lose our sense of purpose and meaning, we scatter. We lose our balance. That's why people suffer from loneliness, depression, isolation, anxiety, even anger and violence. And we spend so much time and energy trying to fill that void. And most of the time, we look to the wrong places. At the end of the day, we realize that no amount of material things will be able to satisfy our hunger. That's when Jesus comes in and says, I am the bread of life. He who eats this bread will never be hungry again, which means when we have found God, we do not have to look for anything else. God is enough. Only that which is divine can satisfy our deepest longing. That's why St. Augustine says, our hearts are restless until they rest in God. Today, we give thanks to God for the gift of the Eucharist. In the Eucharist, we find nourishment, we find refreshment and strength. And it is available to us every day, every Sunday. When we have found this bread, we will never be hungry again. When we eat this bread, we will have life within us.